Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Mrs. Cecil Vizcaya. This is my slide presentation. Factors affecting the purchasing decision of potential car buyers. Introduction. Buying a new or used car can feel overwhelming, regardless of whether it's a person's first time or they have bought cars before. The process can be quite scary. There are numerous factors to consider before choosing a specific car, which are crucial for ensuring the purchase of a high-quality vehicle. Purpose: to make informed decisions, buyers should assess whether the car they are considering is fuel efficient, high quality, suitable for daily use, reasonably priced, and equipped with good features, while also taking into account factors that impact their everyday lives. Ensuring that the car meets these criteria confirms its value. Many buyers are influenced by advertisement and trends, often leading to regrettable purchases. By carefully evaluating these factors, buyers can ensure they are making a worthwhile investment and not squandering their money. Audience. We have here five the potential car buyers or car buyers, future car owners, automotive students, car dealers, and car mechanics. Main content: drive tests to determine which is the best fit for you in terms of performance, safety, reliability, and usability. Drive testing life cycle: RF drive testing, RF data analysis, identification of problem, corrective action. Several factors influence the purchasing decision of potential car buyers. First one is fuel efficiency is a critical consideration as it directly impacts long-term running costs. Second one is the overall quality and reliability of the car play a significant role, as buyers seek vehicles with low maintenance need a high durability. Third, the car suitability for daily activities such as communicating or family use is essential for meeting the buyer's lifestyle needs. Fourth, the price of the car including financing option and potential resale value heavily influences the decision-making process. Lastly, the presence of modern features and technologies such as safety systems and infotainment options can sway buyers towards a particular model. And for the strategies and benefits for purchasing a good quality car, we have here three three examples and givens. The first one is long-lasting use, and it depends on how you take care of it. The second one is before taking a car loan, it's important to estimate the income and expenses. Fourth, having an honest and reliable mechanic can do something good for your car, or at least you know the basic knowledge in your car. Conclusion. In conclusion, it is advisable to engage in intelligent research and comparison of various car insurance policies to identify the most suitable option. Based on the budget and specific requirements, you can streamline the process by utilizing a comparison platform such as Insurance Philippines. Consider also the insurance coverage, not only the safety features of the car. Reliability or performance should also be considered. To secure the insurance coverage, to safeguard yourself financially in case of an accident. And these are the sources that I gather from the details that I put in my PowerPoint presentation. Presentation. Thank you.